So if you've been looking for a new video recorder for your car or truck, either of safety purposes, just want to record video, then you may want to check this one out. So we've been taking a look at this and it is working really great. Now, I don't have the time to run the wires all through the car because this one also comes with a rear view backup camera too that you can run. So if you're looking to have that option, this will include that. You can control this right through an app or through the buttons that are on here. Records to a micro SD card, which actually was included with it. And the nice thing about this is has that dual video. So you got the front camera as well as a back facing camera, so you can see me driving or passengers. So if you're driving for one of those type of services, you have all that recorded. Now to download this, it was super simple. If you have a micro SD card reader, all I had to do is just take that SD card reader out, or the SD card out, put it into the reader, and all the directories are set up, whether it's photos or video, rear view, front view, everything was right there. Now this also performed really well in both daylight and nighttime. At nighttime, I really did not see that much grain and I was really impressed with it. Now what I will say about this is you can mount it to the window, which it's most likely where you're gonna wanna have it either here or somewhere out of the way, depending on how you're gonna run the wire. But honestly, I would like to have another option, whether it's a suction cup so I can take it off and just move it around. Now the mount that this uses is also magnetic, so you put the mount up top there and then you can just do that. So you can easily remove it, but maybe sometimes I might just want to put it somewhere else or transfer cars and don't want to move the mount, and having a suction option would be really nice. But overall, pretty easy. Now this one uses a micro USB cable right there to get power. There's no battery backup or battery power to this. So once you disconnect it, that's it. So you'll see right here, actually, if I just go ahead, pop that off, so it's magnetic. And then, so that would be the piece that's on the window sitting right there. And then the magnet connects there and makes the connection. So that's pretty cool like that. And just overall, I think it's a really nice unit. So that right there is the Janwold 4K DVR cam for your car. Again, it includes that rear view. It includes the forward facing and the rear facing cameras all in one unit. And you can control everything through the app through a Wi-Fi direct connection. Now, I tried it in both 1080. I think it was a 2K setting, but also in 4K. Obviously, 4K is going to take up a lot of space on that card, so you're going to run out. And then you can set things. Does it record all the time? Does it record if it feels you slam on the brakes using like an accelerometer? But overall, the video quality at all those levels, it was pretty impressive. So if you're looking for something like this, I would recommend checking this out too.